Hello, Cynthia. How are you?
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Good.
Good. Michigan Mom Living. Appreciate your time.
Great.
Thank you. Well, we're talking about teaching agriculture science, and we have a new survey. So, ladies, I guess hop in when you can and answer what you can, but what does the new report tell us about the interest among students, parents, and teachers towards agriculture science?
Well, Bayer Corporation and 4-H have put together a survey that really asks teachers about their knowledge of the importance of agricultural science, how it blends into their classroom and subject work, and also having an idea about what parents understand. Why is this important? It's important because by 2050, our global population is going to require a 60% increase in food production, which means we're going to have to figure out how to do that in such a way that we can feed the world and have a wonderful future.
So what are some careers in this field right now that are in demand?
Well, there are so many opportunities right now in the science field and agri-science that many parents and young people don't know about. And because of this need, we think it's really important. So things like agronomists, animal biotechnologists, robotics, drone engineers, artificial intelligence, these are all the types of scientists that we're going to need for our future. And it's an opportunity for us with Bayer and National 4-H Council to get the word out so that parents and kids understand that these opportunities are available to really make a difference in the world.
It's really about how do we get food to the table, right? So very frequently when people think about agriculture, you know, it sounds like a big word and you don't know what it does, and so people revert to farming. But agriculture or how we get food to the table already extends from how it's produced, how it's distributed, how it's consumed. And so it's that whole range of services that have to be addressed.
So can you give us some ideas of some resources to help teachers include agricultural science in their lesson plans?
So what was interesting, 80% of teachers said that they consider agricultural science as very important, and yet only 22% really included it in their curriculum and their lesson plan. What ways can you do agricultural science? Think about it. It's the biology. It's about understanding how plants grow, about how fish grow, right? It's the genetics. It's the old idea about pH, and any part of this is important. Even in grade school, you can put the potato plant in the cup, grow the potato plant, actually see how many sprouts it has, and at the same time, you're learning lots of different things from mathematics to how plants grow.
So what is the Science Matters Initiative?
The Science Matters Initiative is a partnership between National 4-H Council and Bayer, and we are focused on closing this gap of the opportunities that exist in agri-science careers and the young people and their families that are aware of them. So through this partnership, we're making curriculum available and opportunities available for families and their kids to learn more about the exciting careers available in the agriculture industry.
Great. Well, I know in our community, we live in a rural community, and we have 4-H and we have FFA, and actually what their biology is agriculture class. So the kids have to take it in their high school, which is a good thing.
Well, you know what I find really exciting about 4-H is even as a little girl growing up on the south side of Chicago, 4-H is there. So 4-H is in rural communities, which is really wonderful, and also in urban communities. And I think that there's some wonderful projects and programs that have been put together to really support the whole idea. I don't know if Jennifer can tell us about some of them.
So if moms want to learn more about what 4-H has available for them, we suggest they run right to our website, which is 4h.org and Bayer. And they can find a lot of exciting activities that can be a starting point in agriculture careers and ag science, activities, curriculum, things young people can do on their own or in a group. And for us, it spans the gamut of learning about the animals and the plants, the soil, the air around you, the water. And all of those things can spark an interest that leads to an interest in choosing a career in agriculture.
So,
Wonderful.
so we're really excited about this survey, but even more excited about what is in offer in the future.
Great. Well, is there anything we didn't cover in this interview?
No, just making sure everyone gets involved. It's the exposure for both parents, children, and teachers. And that's the way we move forward.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for your time today.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.